Once you're done putting your disc pegs tangent to your base, and none of them move, we can move on to the last step, which is locking on these corner pegs, all 4 of them. And it says place the corner pegs so that this side is at a 45 degree with the side of the base. And we can see how it's locked on. We can see a picture of it. So we're looking at our home view. What we're going to do is we're going to mate. Obviously, we're going to mate to the top of this or to the top of this. So it's locked on, okay. And I hit apply, and I'm going to go over. If I hit cancel, I can look. It moves around. Well, it's stuck on that face. Well, I'm going to lock it in place. I'm going to tell, if I look at my picture, these corners lock together. So I'm going to tell this corner to mate to this corner. Not the face, but the corner. And I'm going to apply. And if I get out of this, I can click on this, and it spins around. Well, how to get it to stop spinning around, you guessed it, we're going to add an angle constraint. And if we look at our directions, it says make it a 45-degree angle. So I'm looking at it. I'm going to make this face and this face 45 degrees. Now, I want to be clear. I go to here to my angle constraint. I don't want to make this face and this face 45 degrees. I want to make this face and this face 45 degrees. So how to put down an angle constraint? Well, once I selected it, there's 3 options. You're not ready for the 2 on the right. They're pretty difficult and pretty hard to work with. Go ahead and use the one that says directed angle, the one on the left. The one that has 2. That we only have to work with 2 faces. And I'm just going to select 2 faces, and I'm going to tell them to be 45 degrees apart from each other. Now, sometimes when you do it, depending on which face you selected first, it'll go in or out. If it goes in, well, then it's backwards. So I'm just going to type in negative 45. And negative 45 will flip it over because it's the opposite direction. Of course, if it didn't go the wrong way, then you don't have to type in negative. You only have to switch it back and forth if it is switching back and forth on its own. So type in either negative 45 or positive 45, whatever you need to do to get it at this sort of angle here, like this. And then do the other 3 on your own.